It's difficult to say with certainty what the first type of alcohol consumed by humans was, as the origins of alcohol consumption date back to prehistoric times and there are no written records of this period. However, it is generally believed that the first alcoholic beverages were likely made accidentally through the natural fermentation of fruit juices or grains. Some of the earliest known records of alcohol consumption come from ancient civilizations such as the Sumerians and Egyptians. The Sumerians, who lived in what is now Iraq around 4000 BC, brewed beer from barley and other grains. In addition to the Sumerians and Egyptians, many other ancient civilizations also consumed alcohol. The Greeks and Romans, for example, were known for their love of wine, and the ancient Chinese brewed various types of alcoholic beverages using rice, sorghum, and other grains. Alcohol consumption has played an important role in many societies throughout history, often serving as a social lubricant or a religious sacrament. Different cultures have developed unique methods for producing and consuming alcoholic beverages, as well as different attitudes towards alcohol. Alcohol has been used as a medicine, a preservative for food, and as a form of payment or currency. For example, some cultures, such as those in Europe, have a long tradition of drinking alcoholic beverages as part of their social customs. In contrast, some indigenous cultures, such as those in North America, have experienced negative consequences from alcohol consumption brought by colonizers, and have developed a different relationship with alcohol as a result. There are also significant differences in the types of alcoholic beverages consumed across cultures. In addition to beer and wine, other alcoholic beverages such as sake in Japan, tequila in Mexico, and baijiu in China have a long history and cultural significance. Each of these beverages is made using unique ingredients and methods, reflecting the diverse culinary traditions and preferences of different societies. Prohibition, the legal ban on the production, sale, and consumption of alcohol, was a major social and political movement in many countries during the early 20th century. While prohibition was intended to address the negative effects of alcohol consumption, it was ultimately unsuccessful in many countries and was eventually repealed. Today, alcohol is a widely consumed and culturally significant beverage in many parts of the world, with a wide variety of types and styles of alcoholic beverages available. While there are still concerns about the negative consequences of excessive alcohol consumption, many societies have developed laws, regulations, and public health initiatives to address these issues and promote responsible alcohol consumption. Subscribing and liking the video are a great help. Thanks for watching.